Hey everybody, this is Chadley again at Metalworks. We received the Art Morrison chassis for the 55 build. As you can see, it's one of their IRS versions. Just really amazing chassis. They're just a piece of art. We've done a few of these IRS rear end setups now, and they really drive amazing. Very excited that we're putting another one underneath the 55 build. So this is how they show up in raw format. Obviously we'll do a tear down, paint, and then reassembly of the chassis. If you're curious about these IRS setups or anything to do with Art Morrison at all, you're welcome to give the shop a call and ask for John at 541-341-3372. He'll be able to answer any questions you might have. Again, keep checking back here on YouTube. We'll keep you guys updated on what's going on with the 55 build. But today we just wanted to give you a quick peek at the chassis arrival. Thanks for checking in. We'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.